Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have a 2011 Ford Fiesta in the shop, and I'm just going to show you a simple thing that maybe you think is a big deal or it's harder than it actually is. Removing the antenna on the back. Sometimes they break off and people think, oh, what am I going to do? Well, it's probably a dealer item for that particular part, but you could just go to the dealer, order it, take it yourself, and believe it or not, it just screws on. So the base is a different option, a different part than the actual antenna piece. So you just grab it firmly and just counter turn. That's it. So you've got an inverted stud. It goes right into the base. Just reverse procedure. Put it back on. Once it bottoms out, I'll just get a good twist and you're on your way. Make sure your stations come in. And you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.